on.
Hi folks, it's Rod with Johnson RV. We're in Sandy, Oregon, and it's nice to be inside the lobby today in the showroom, and we're very, very pleased and excited to have something available that we rarely do, and that's the brand new 2024 Leisure Travel. And we've been fortunate to be the Northwest dealer for Leisure Travel since 2011, shortly after they started the Unity line. And this is the very first of the Unity models. This is the Murphy bit, still their #1 seller. And if you haven't had a chance to see them or don't know much about them, I hope you'll research, because there's just way too much to talk about on this in a little short video, and it deserves much more. But we're going to touch on a few key things. First of all, it's built on the Sprinter chassis, new Sprinter chassis, with new E-Class interiors in the front, very elegant, very nicely done, all the things you're getting used to now, safety features, etc., power seats, heated seats. And then Leisure Travel, they brought in some amazing designers to create a body that goes on that Mercedes chassis, which creates kind of a coupe-like approach to a Class C motorhome. We call this a B+. It doesn't have the big bunk over the top up front, so it's more aerodynamic. It's like driving a coupe. It's a pleasure to drive this over most other Class C or B+ motorhomes. Leisure Travel has been able, you'll see when we go inside, the quality of the fixtures, the interiors. Nothing outlandish, it's beautifully done, and they haven't overweighted the chassis. Sometimes it's easy to overweight this, I think, overweight this Mercedes chassis, and you lose that beautiful drive. So anyway, that's just a little bit about Leisure Travel in general, but you can see how beautifully they've done it. Beautiful automotive quality, 5 layers of paint, basically. 3 coats of paint, 2 coats of clear paint. So it makes it automotive quality, and that lasts for a long, long time. We get Leisure Travels back after 10, 12 years, and you wouldn't know it. They're brand new. Same with the interiors, those materials I talked to you about. Come on inside, take a quick look at this great fork one. And just you can kind of see some of that Mercedes in-dash setup up front. It's got all the E-Class, heated seats, power seats, controls from your steering wheel. You've got all the safety features so you can feel confident going down the road. And as you pan back around, you'll be able to see the layout in general. I'll point out that I'm 6'4", so it's a little close for me, but I still feel comfortable in here. I don't feel closed in. The slide out here gives you that extra space. And you've got a Murphy bed here that's 76 inches long, 68 inches wide. So if you have taller people in your family, it's wonderful for that. So sleeps 2 very comfortably. I wouldn't call it a king-size bed, but it's as close as you're going to see in a Class B+ motorhome. Notice the materials again, beautiful woodwork they've done. In the kitchen galley, you've got microwave convection, 2-door refrigerator, freezers on the bottom. I like that. You don't have to access the freezer that much, so why have it up here in front of you all the time? Galley is finished so beautifully. Real Corian countertops. They did not scrimp. And when you go into the bathroom, you'll see they carry the same Corian counters in there. Beautiful stainless steel fixtures. And check out that shower area. That, see, is a shower. Come on back a little bit more, Dustin. There we go. Thank you. And you can kind of see that's a shower big enough for a person like myself. Mm-hmm. And so when we're talking about the Murphy bed floor plan itself, when that's all opened up, you've got basically, you turn these 2 front seats around here, they become part of your living area. You've got a 25-foot motorhome that's pretty much all living space. That's so unlike anything else you'll find. So Leisure Travel in general, keep us in mind for that if you're looking at Leisure Travel. If you're looking for a Murphy bed model right now, we have one here in stock. We'd love to help you with this one. But that won't last long. So we can help you with the process of maybe ordering one, getting something in order for you. We'd love to help you. Again, I'm Rod out front. Dustin's behind the camera. We're at 503-668-5400, and we'd love to tell you more about Leisure Travel.